The health benefits of gargling with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water is an excellent home remedy for the mouth and has been used for thousands of years. Simply add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water. Rock salt is best, however table salt works fine for this remedy. Gently gargling with the salt water for 1 to 2 minutes each day can have the following health benefits. 1. Saltwater gargling is an excellent way to relieve a sore throat or infection. The salt helps to balance the pH level of the mouth and kill harmful bacteria. 2. It has an anti-inflammatory effect and reduces swelling and redness throughout the mouth. 3. Gargling with this mixture can prevent recurring tonsillitis, a condition where pus forms in the inflamed tonsils. 4. If you suffer with a cough, you will notice lots of mucus coming out of the throat and nose. Salt water helps to dilute the mucus by relieving nasal congestion. It helps the mucus to break down faster and heal the infection quicker. 5. If you have bleeding gums, this may be a sign of gum disease. Salt water destroys harmful bacteria in the mouth, which stops this from happening. Be sure to swish the salt water around the mouth after gargling at the back. 6. Salt water is actually a wonderful natural mouthwash, which people used well before the birth of mouthwash products. This is a lot cheaper and keeps the mouth clean and fresh. 7. Salt water can relieve bad breath by destroying the bacteria that causes the smell. It can also help in reducing plaque, which also has an odour. 8. It helps to heal canker sores, also known as mouth ulcers. These small, swollen white areas of skin in the mouth can be very sharp and painful. The warm water helps to soothe the irritation and prevent further infections. Note, canker sores are originally caused by a B12 deficiency. 9. If you do this gargle often, you may notice your teeth becoming whiter over time. The sodium is helping to prevent bacteria and plaque buildup on the teeth. Be sure to brush daily and floss to give the mouth the best possible clean. 10. Subsequently, this may prevent a buildup of tartar between the teeth. This darkened plaque becomes hard, smelly and discoloured if left unchecked. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.